Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you a way you can actually make a million kwacha in Zambia. I know I'm not a millionaire yet, but that does not mean that what I'm about to show you does not work. Okay, I can give a good example with doctors. Doctors know a lot of diseases, but it does not mean that they are sick of all of them. So I might know and I really know a lot of ways of making money online, and I do really use some of them and some of them I don't. So not wasting of your time, how can you actually make a million kwacha in Zambia? So I saw something on social media of which I decided to share it in a video, which is a way you can actually use to make of about a million kwacha or 1 million kwacha in Zambia in within a year. Okay, so I'll put this image somewhere on the right side of this video. Okay, so the first point is says that, okay, so I'm first going to show you like how you can actually make like what it takes. First of all, I'll show you what it takes to be able to make a million kwacha in Zambia in within a year. From there, I'm going to share some of my ideas you can start to help you make that million. So let's get started. So the first way to actually make 1 million kwacha in Zambia is to sell a product or a service worth 50 kwacha to 20,000 people. So the first way is sell a K50 service or product to 20,000 people, okay, in within a year. So to break this down, you are supposed to sell at least we're supposed to sell this product to at least of about 1,667 people per month for you to be able to make a million kwacha. So let's try to calculate this. So I'm going to grab my calculator on my phone right here, and I'm simply going to calculate 50 times 20 times 20,000. So that's 1 million over here. Don't know if you can see that. Okay, and this is the first way you can actually make of about 1 million kwacha. And the second way is, okay, is actually selling a product worth K100 to 10,000 people in 1 year. So this one seems doable. The third way is selling a product worth 250 to 4,000 people and be able to make a million. And the fourth way is selling a product worth 750 to 1,334 in 1 year and be able to make a million. And finally, the last way is selling a product worth 1.5 or something that gives you a profit of 1.5 to 667 people in 1 year. Okay, so I'm going to jump this and go to the last method. Then for you to be able to sell to 667 people with a product or service worth 1,500, you're supposed to be selling of about 56 people per month. Okay, so once you find a product or service that you can sell of about 1,500 to 667 people per month, in a year you'll be able to make 1 million kwacha. Okay, so I know this whole what I've talked about seems too easy to be talked about, but when you implement it, it's actually a big thing. Like, it's not really that easy as I've said it, because so for example, if you're buying and selling stuff, okay, it's possible that you might get about 667 sales, but it does not mean that all this money will be saved up, because there'll be stuff like expenses. Because if you order something, let's say for 1,000, then you sell it for 500, the profit you will get will be less, and there'll be also incurred expenses as you go on in your business. That means that you will still not be able to achieve or make this 1 million. And the other way which is going to prevent you from making a million is because probably you are not going to be saving each and every money you make from your sales. You'll probably be investing the money to buy more products, or maybe just using the money on your own. Okay, but otherwise, if you can find something that gives you like a profit, let me say something that gives you net profit minus all the expenses, and it gives you a net profit of 1,500 when you sell to one person, then it's possible that you might sell to 667 people in a year and be able to make a million. Okay, so this is just theory, and this is something that you should try by all means to look into and try to find out something you can start, and try to add all the costs associated, the expenses, and see which method is going to work, either the first one or the last one. Okay, I'll also share this image probably in the video or in the link in the description. Okay, so on this channel is all about money making videos. I share some money making ways such as forex trading, affiliate marketing, and other ways of making money online. So it might be of help if you can subscribe and try out a few things that can help you even in making your first million. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.